Biotechnology is a diverse field which involves either working with living cells or using molecules derived from them for applications oriented toward human welfare using varied types of tools and technologies. Welcome, Applications of Biotechnology. My name is Ishini Vikramarachchi. What is the biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of living systems and organisms to develop or make useful products or any technological application that use biological systems, living organisms or derivatives thereof to make or modify products or processes for specific use. There are many applications of biotechnology, but I mention three types of applications of biotechnology. They are environmental biotechnology, medical biotechnology, and agriculture biotechnology. Environment biotechnology. What is the environment biotechnology? Environment biotechnology is the solving of environmental problems through the application of biotechnology. What is the role of environment biotechnology? Environment biotechnology can be used to detect, prevent and remediate the emission of pollutants into the environment in a number of ways. Replacing chemical materials and processes with the biological technologies can reduce environmental damage. It is needed to eliminate the hazardous waste produced by our other technologies, distinguish between similar species and ensure species are not at risk of extinction, and create alternative energy sources. Medical biotechnology. What is the medical biotechnology? Medical biotechnology is the function of genetics, cell biology, and many other sciences in order to further advances in medicine. What is the purpose of medical biotechnology? Medical biotechnology is a branch of medicine that uses living cells and materials to research and then produce pharmaceutical and diagnosing products. These products help treat and prevent diseases. What are the medical applications? Medical applications of biotech include preventative, diagnostic, and treatment. The Human Genome Project is very useful within this field. Gene therapy and stem cell technologies are two up and coming fields within the medical areas of biotech. Stem cell technologies include immature cells that have the potential to develop and specialize into a variety of other cell types. Agriculture biotechnology. What is the agriculture biotechnology? Agriculture biotechnology is a collection of scientific techniques used to improve plants, animals, and microorganisms based on an understanding DNA. What is the role of biotechnology in agriculture? Role of biotechnology in agriculture with better disease control and increased tolerance to drought and flooding. Biotechnology leads to a significant increase in crop production. This does not just match the ever-growing demand for food but also helps farmers to lower losses. Scientists have developed solutions to increase agricultural productivity and enhance breeders' ability to make improvements in crops and livestock. Improvements that are not possible with traditional crossing of related species alone. Biotechnology offers great promise in improving, diagnosing and treatment of hereditary diseases, formation and manufacture of safer drugs, production of environmentally friendly herbicides and pesticides, improvement in microbial process to clean up the environment. Making these promises a reality require effort and revision of several assumptions. So, biotechnology has the potential to be the most transformational technology in human history. It is currently revolutionizing healthcare, agriculture, and industrial manufacturing. The bioscience industry is dedicated encouraging continued research and development of innovative treatment and products to improve the human condition, our environment and our way of life. Thank you for your attention.